from B1907 Sriram Greenfield. Today I'll be sharing my experiences collaborating with Melbourne Design Factory. We bought this home in 2019, and since this was our first home, I personally wanted to go with the bigger brands after seeing their advertisements on social media. But what I realized was their quotation, which was coming way beyond my budget limits. So it was then I have seen a post from Mr. Ajit Ji from Melbourne Design Factory about an inaugural offer. They are offering particularly for the Sriram Greenfield. After meeting with Ajit and Bibin and some other guy from Melbourne Design Factory, we have decided to opt with them. Even before the work began, they have shared 3D draft design of the interiors to understand the look and feel, to see the color combinations, etc. But honestly, being a 3D artist myself, I never felt they will be able to replicate what exactly they have shown. But I was wrong, and in fact, I was very surprised to see that they have made exact replica of what they have shown in 3D. We were promised that all their interior will be done within 29 days, and I think they have kept their promise. To share my final experience working with Melbourne Design Factory, definitely yes. I personally recommend people who are looking for interiors who can opt for MDF. It is not only about the final output or the quality of work, it is also about the management, which is very important, I guess. Particularly because of COVID last year, we all had a tough period, and only 2 workers allowed per flat to work with. But still, they have met their deadline and completed all my interiors within 29 days. And lastly, it so happened that I have to stay in my home and not allowed to go outside because of the COVID protocols. The management made sure to reach all these required materials and everything on time, and also they have looking after the workers' essentials, food materials, everything, which I must, because of this management, workers, and everything, the complete process was smooth. And personally, hence I think I must thank Melbourne Design Factory, and good luck.